Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle's customer support. Let's get straight into the video. So first thing, there are a couple of ways that you can contact the customer support. The first is phone, so you can call Zelle's customer support at the number right there on the screen. There's also email, so you can submit an email request through the Zelle's website. You also have live chat, so you can access live chat support through the Zelle app, or you can also do that on the website. And then there's FAQs. You can visit Zelle's website for a comprehensive FAQ section. Now let me show you the step-by-step process. So first thing you got to do is to gather information. So have your account information and transaction details ready. Next, you got to select your preferred contact method. So that could be a phone call, email, live chat. And then once you've chosen your contact method, you want to clearly explain your issues or questions to the customer support representative once you've gotten a hold of them, and just follow the representative's instructions to resolve your issue. Now, a couple of types of issues Zelle customer support can assist you with. They include transaction issues, account issues, payment issues, and security concerns. So if you're having any of these issues, you can reach out to the customer support and they're going to help you to figure that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Zelle's customer support. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.